as Michael Chavis takes a big rip. Davis.
Yo!
One hit tonight. It was the
Box opening up by Kobot robotic.
Blue Jays have scored in 3 innings. The Red Sox have only scored in 2.
I should turn on the Blue Jays game. Jays are losing 10-8 right now. This would be a scissors. Scissors. Scissors, scissors, scissors from IKEA. We're not sponsored by IKEA. Sweet Caroline. There we go. Like 3 months in the making. Don't know why they needed an extra box, but they did. Nothing crawling in here because, you know, it's been sitting in my place for 3 months. This is just me recording this, so just in case, you know, something's broken, then, you know, I have video proof. It's opened. Look at this. Well, at least box number 1's open. Don't worry about that. That's just Sherilyn just messaging on Facebook. What? Yo. Frequently asked questions. Quick start guide. Boom. And look at that. It's the adapter. Boop, boop, boop. This must be the charging station. I hate these unboxing stuff. And whatever this is. And this must be the filter. Yes, it does. I am putting everything back where I got it. Trent Thornton started. He went just an inning in the 3rd, charged with 5 runs. And the main event. The robotic. Sweet Caroline. With these 2 little things that I guess twirl, twirl, twirl. And Dodgers are winning 15-2.
Boy, the Dodgers are rolling, aren't they? You know, you try to figure out who the super teams are in baseball. That's a super team right there, the Dodgers. Might be the most complete team. The starters, relievers.
Sweet Caroline.
They just got Corey Seager back. They just got David Freese back. And they just got
this is much bigger than... This is about the same size as my previous one. And here we go. Kobot. Okay, I'm done with the unboxing. So that was my unboxing. Today is Monday, July 15th. Back in the thing it'll go. I'm a dude. We're not very good at this stuff. Jeez.
Ball on the strike now. For Derek Clark, trying to keep Blue Jays in strike distance.
Okay, done. This video is over.